swings through, drops the temperatures back. Then the low pressure comes up the coast, and we get wild tonight and tomorrow. Okay, so the front's moving through. Here's some snow showers and flurries. Now, this is a big part of the forecast because what's the cold front going to do? It's going to drop the temperatures. You hear me talk about snow ratio a lot. What does it really mean? Well, a lot of you will say, okay, we get rain in January, and you say, boy, how much snow would have that been? And I say, well, it was 1 inch of rain, we would have had 10 inches of snow. It's a ratio of 10 to 1. That's usually a heavy consistency wet snow, and it hurts your back when you shovel, okay? What this storm does is it drops the temperatures so cold that it's a light, fluffy snow. And that ratio changes to a 20 to 1 ratio. So that 1 inch of rain gives you more bang for your buck, and you get 20 inches of snow. So therefore, you can pile the snow up, and we call it the fluff factor. And there'll be a lot of fluff factor with this storm coming up the coast. So here it is down to the south. It actually is a low pressure now. Rain for North Carolina, South Carolina, snow inland, and this will track north, and it will interact with that cold air and develop rapidly overnight tonight and intensify and increase those snow rates as we go into the night and day tomorrow. We've toyed around with the wind forecast a bit. I tugged the red this way a bit more. I like the idea of 50-mile-per-hour gusts. I don't like them playing out. I like the forecast of it being 50-mile-per-hour winds for much of Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, and then even stronger winds, 60 miles an hour plus for Plymouth County and Cape Cod. So obviously when you have snow coming down and you have winds like this, you have that potential for blizzard conditions. So let's take a futurecast hour by hour. You know, tonight through the evening, there's a few snow showers and flurries. There's not a lot going on. You have time this evening to get some things done. But as we go into the nighttime, by about midnight, just about everybody's snowing. The low pressure is working up the coast. Might be a little mixing at first for Nantucket Islands, but this is an all-snow event for the chunk of the area. By 3 a.m., snow coming down. I wouldn't say the rates at this point are really all that impressive, but as we go into the morning hours, snow coming down, winds are increasing, visibilities are already diminishing. We get to about the 9 o'clock hour, 10 o'clock hour, then it starts to ramp up. The low pressure is right here. All this dark purple blue is snow rates that could be 2 to 3 to even 4 inches per hour. It's coupled with that really strong wind, right? So now you're reducing visibilities, whiteout conditions. That will continue into the afternoon hours. And then eventually by evening, this will all start to pull away. And by Saturday midnight, most of the snow shuts down, but you think you're out of the woods? No, because Sunday it's still breezy and it's still blowing and drifting that snow that's already fallen. And I think that there'll still be some issues right into Sunday morning before it gets better for the afternoon. So how much snow are we going? Yeah, we've upped the totals. We tugged 18 to 24 for much of eastern Rhode Island, the Bay, all of southeastern Mass and parts of Cape Cod, pushing the 12 to 18 for western Rhode Island only. A lot of you don't like the ranges. You want to see your town. I get it. Let me try that. So this is what I did. I put little numbers by all the little towns, right? I didn't put the town names, but you get the idea if you know how to read the map. You got 20 inches in Barrington, 20 for areas like Westport, 17 in Johnston, 16 Westerly, 20 North Attleboro, 21 towards areas like Easton, and some of the big totals in Plymouth where 23 inches could fall. Big time storm. Historic, probably going to go in the books, yes. Sunny on Sunday, breezy, moderating temperatures next week, 50s by Thursday. John.
All right, Jeff, catch your breath. We'll see you in just